Court number 5, Amabella and Geronimo versus Beverly and Fred. Umpire Noel. Once again, calling for court number 5 players. Mixed doubles, level E. Amabella and Geronimo versus Beverly and Fred. Umpire Noel. Line judge, Manuel and Princess. Line judge, Manuel and Princess, please proceed to court number 5. Calling for court number 5. Court number 5. Mixed doubles, level E. Amabella and Geronimo. Amabella and Geronimo versus Beverly and Fred. Beverly and Fred. Umpire Noel. Umpire Noel. Please proceed to court number 5. Please. Start na po tayo, court number 5. Amabel, Geronimo, Beverly and Fred, Beverly and Fred, please proceed po to court number 5. Calling for court number 13. Court number 13, Gunawan and Risa versus Norby and Mike. Norby and Mike, court number 13. Gunawan and Risa versus Norby and Mike. Please proceed po to court number 13. Umpire Leo. Hey.
Inside.
Mike and Norby, court number 13. Mike and Norby, court number 13. Versus Risa and Gunawan. Umpire Leo. Ayan, panalo kayo ba niya? Sino yung Cut okay lang, like that siya. Court number 11. Court number 11, mixed doubles level C. Vernon and Kai. Vernon and Kai versus Jay and Chuck. Jay and Chuck. Umpire, Paul Christian Flores. Umpire, Paul Christian Flores. I repeat, court number 11, mixed doubles level C. Vernon and Kai. Vernon and Kai versus Jay and Chuck. Jay and Chuck. Umpire, Paul Christian Flores. Please proceed to court number 11. Line judge, Eric and Langa. Court number 8. Court number 8, Romulo and Giselle. Romulo and Giselle versus Faith and Neo. Faith and Neo. Umpire, Jojo. Umpire, Jojo. Line judge for court number 8, Jay and Bell. Jay and Bell, court number 8, line judge po. Paso yun na lang. Once again, calling for players for men mixed doubles level C. Romulo and Giselle. Romulo and Giselle versus Faith and Neo. Faith and Neo. Umpire, Jojo. Please proceed to court number 8.
Rian, palay judge.
Calling for court number 8, Romulo and Giselle. Looking for Michelle. Michelle. Court number 8. Court number 8. Start na po tayo. Court number 8. Court 8. Start na po. Michelle, please close the table. Okay, okay.
Standby B, Monkey, Jobber,